How to leave squad in Mobile Legends. The very first thing you want to do is to launch Mobile Legends on a device. Enter your login credential, as in your username and the password, and simply log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now what you want to do is click on this icon right here. It will open up the menus of squad. At the bottom, tap on Squad Management. It will show you all of the squad that you have. In order to leave, all you want to do is tap on this icon right here. It says, "Are you sure you want to leave the squad?" In this section, all you want to do is type in quit. Once you have entered, click on OK. And there you go, it says you have left the squad. Well, if you want to rejoin the squad, all you want to do is you have to request a member in order to do so. And if they accept it, you will be joined to that squad successfully. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can leave squad in Mobile Legends. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.